Nice. So glad I got that on here.
Hi, Brad here. So glad you're with us. Today we're camping at Lake Kegonsa Campground in Wisconsin, and we're going to show you how we set up our RV campsite with our 30-foot travel trailer.
A little further. There you go. This would have been a really fun one to video, unfortunately. You know, that we couldn't. It was like super close.
Cut it too soon.
I think you did awesome.
Thanks again for joining us today as we show you our RV setup procedure. And if you're new to our channel is about everything we're doing with our home, our RV, and our recently purchased wooded raw land.
Looks like the power cord will reach here okay. So we're good there.
Good. Little more. That's good.
Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet to follow along as we share our journey.
All right, let's check it.
You have to have the camper level so when you run your refrigerator you don't burn out your refrigerator, the compressor.
Oh, okay. Looks perfect. Oh, you do these first.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Or I'd forgotten it.
I usually do overkill.
But you're still going to level it front to back, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll tighten these more.
Okay.
You see how I just turn this here, babe? Well, I think you saw it on the other side, but yeah. Because we had a short distance, I didn't put on the weight distribution hitch.
Isn't that supposed to pop off?
Yeah, I got some ball grease on there. There's some tension on it.
Woo!
So we'll see if it's level front to back.
Okay. Where's that level at?
Up here. Right
Oh,
here.
yeah.
So I think I need to lift the front, right? Yeah.
Nope, a little bit more. There you go. Oh, down just a hair. Down. Great.
And then we'll get the steers.
Oh, okay.
Bees. You can put blocks under there and things, but I'm not worried about it for 2 days.
Want me to lift it in case there's bees?
Yeah.
Oops. Nope, looks pretty clean.
Looks like I need to work on that. This should be off when it's popped
Is it off
in.
now?
And
Oh, it was on.
it was on.
Nice.
All right, I think that's on. We'll find out. We'll try the slide, babe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now comes the job of setting everything up. Everything's stowed in here. Uh-oh. Drawer came out. Plenty of room for the slide. You always have to make sure that you have enough room on the side to open the slide. All right, I'm going to turn on the water pump and the fridge. Oh, there we go. Takes a minute sometimes. Then I'll start loading up the fridge. All right. Oh, looks like Brad already put some water in here earlier. Fabulous. Our little freezer. Looks good. Start putting some of this stuff away. It looks like Brad already has a bunch of stuff in here. So I'm just going to organize this. All right, I think we're a little bit better. Coffee over there and some treats over here. We didn't pack as much this time as we normally do because of the, we're only going to be here for a short time. These were extra containers that we sometimes use up in the pantry up here, but since we're not using it, I'm going to set it aside because we just don't have a ton of room. Oh my, oh! That's cool. Let me do that again. See that? I had no idea. All right. There we go.
Oh, it's all wet. When you're ready.
Okay. I'm gonna try it too. Nice. So glad I got that on here. You need some help?
Yeah, I don't want to get impaled in the groin.
I'm just gonna video you.
Let's pretend you weren't here.
Then what would you do?
Oh my God. Ah.
Are you okay? Do you seriously need help?
No.
Really?
I don't want to. I need help.
Okay. What was it?
I have to go down a little more. That's cool.
Yeah, let's play it safe. We got it.
We'll have it tilt this way a little bit, maybe.
Okay.
If it does get, you know, so we might get a little shower later.
All right.
Like that? Is that?
That sounds
A little
good.
bit?
It's not done. Almost.
That water's been there since last fall. Ooh.
Nice. I thought we dried it out.
We did. There's holes in it.
Need a new one soon.
Well, because we purchased land, I don't think it's worth investing in this. We're better off investing in a canopy, something to cover the RV, and then put a deck in front of the RV.
Okay.
Like a permanent structure, just like a lean-to. So it's nice under here. Just doing this is give this, you know, all the shade that we get now. It's beautiful.
All right, let's go get the rug.
So this is so dusty.
Did we have the gray side out?
Sure.
Thank you.
I can't remember how we do it.
Just like
Right
that.
here.
Here, I'll get this side.
Get a plume in there.
So, yeah, and keep going.
This way?
Mm-hmm. There, I think that's good.
Okay.
All right, and that should flatten out. Do we have any stakes?
I have to find them.
I think we do.
We do.
Okay. I think after this trip, Brad, I want to roll it up instead of folding it. I want it rolled instead of folded.
Okay.
It's starting to wear.
Sounds good.
All right. Okay. That's so Brad doesn't hit his head. Or anyone. But yeah.
Looks nice.
Yeah. Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, I am.
Can I get it a little flatter
Yeah.
so it cooks faster?
It's a little froze. I didn't thaw it out long enough. But
Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet to follow along as we share our journey. And thanks again for watching our RV setup video. Bye now.
this side will be well done. This side over here will be more rare.
I think that's good. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
Ready,
definitely an experiment, and Culver's is not too far away.
Garlic iron was supposed to marinate in it, but we've done this before. Well, Michelle's done it, and it tasted really good. Is that enough?
I put the
too
whole
much.
packet in.